Have you ever imagined what our future look like? Technologies that are far from what we have today, buildings that reach skies, cars and planes that are faster than the fastest known creature? The future is really so promising. It gives us hope that this world will once again have a better version of itself. But all of these imaginable things has a consequence. As we improve our technology, we've forgotten to improve our nature, our environment. We forgot to protect the ones that protected us during the strongest typhoons or storms, the ones that provides us shelter and all our needs including our leisures. We abused our nature. We forgot that the earth is also one of us. We treat earth like it was just an instrument or equipment that we will use in our different experiments. And now we are paying the price for our mistakes that we've done to our nature. The earth is now continuously warming. Plagues are spreading. Calamities like storms becoming more stronger and dangerous. And all of this happens because of us, humans. Humans built factories, craft cars, air conditions, dig holes beneath the Earth's surface, inviting different gases to come out. And this caused the increasing of the Earth, or the so-called global warming. People are getting confused with climate change and global warming. But climate change is just an effect of global warming. Climate change is a permanent or a longer changes in the world's weather pattern, while global warming means the increase of temperature on the Earth's surface. Global warming is a phenomenon or a normal phenomenon on Earth for the past 800s of thousands of years. The Earth experienced global warming and global cooling, where the Earth becomes hot and after several years, it will turn back to its normal temperature. But things are far different this time. Global warming is increasing in a very fast rate, unlike the past hundreds of years. This starts when the Industrial Revolution begins, when humans built factories, power plants, and more carbon dioxide emitting objects or structures. Due to this Due to this warming, the climate pattern of the Earth changed. We can now experience harsh and devastating weather, extreme drought in warmer countries, strong typhoons or different storms. Like here in the Philippines, we experience at least 20 plus or 20 more storms every year, and each of these storms is powerful enough to destroy a city or a municipality. The recent storm that the Philippines experienced were Quinta, Rolly, or the strongest storm for 2020, and Ulysses. Storms like this can take thousands of lives in a matter of seconds, if not an hour, if they did not take them seriously like the Yolanda way back in 2013. More effects of global warming like water shortage. Humans needs water, and humans cannot live if there is no water. And due to the extreme heat, the water evaporates faster. This can be a problem, especially in agriculture. They use fresh water for irrigations. They also use it to feed their animals. Fishes in the ocean will find another place where they can live properly because a slight change in the temperature in the ocean will cause different effects, like coral bleachings. Animals on land, as we know, that they migrate or adapt to the environment. But due to the global warming, they cannot find a new place. They cannot also adapt because it will take time, and global warming is just starting. Global warming is no joke. Every year it becomes worse and worse. The drought in every part of the world, the typhoons, or any other storms. Tornadoes have now become more destructive. The supply of fresh water on the earth is now depleting, and said that due to the huge amount of demand of water, Earth will experience a shortage of fresh water by the year 2025. And it will have a huge effect not only on us but also on the every other living around us, from tall trees, mammals, and many more animals, plants, and insects. Increasing heat, melting of ice caps from different poles, rising sea levels, flooding in lowland areas, wildfires in summers are just the beginning of the effect of the global warming. If we continue at this pace, we might experience the end of the world. According to James Hansen, global warming isn't a prediction, it's happening. That's why we should learn from what is happening today. Think not only for yourself, but also for the other species. Act today and change the future. Peace out.